Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. What am I wearing? I'm wearing a bow, a red bow, see, with the S in it. And then I'm wearing ears. Ears. What ears are these? These are cat ears. And this is a hat. What color is my hat? It's red and white. And I'm wearing my pajamas. Yes, I'm wearing my pajamas. Are you wearing your pajamas? Why am I dressed like this? Why? Because today is Dr. Seuss's birthday. Yes, today is Dr. Seuss's birthday. Remember? Yesterday, I told you that today we were celebrating a very fantastic birthday, see? Happy birthday, Dr. Seuss. Yes. So, let's hear this song and let's dance, okay? Now, 1 second. Okay, so here we go.
Well, the cat came back, and what did you know? He heard a crowd shout, "Go, don't go!" And a man named Sam gave him green eggs and ham. He followed him, chanting,
Eggs and ham.
"I am Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss is on the loose." Mr. Cup came by with the 7-month war and offered him a ride on the one-bell-go. They came upon some bears, kept an apple on top. The whole town chasing them to make the apples drop. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. Dressed up fox with his friend Mr. Knox, getting ready to box with the hairy goats. And watching him was a man named Brown. Mr. Brown, he was upside down. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. By and by they passed McElligot's pool with 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue. And then they passed a yawning yellow yak with Yolanda Jorgensen yelling on his back. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. You won't believe who the cat would meet as the wolf carried him down Mulberry Street. An elephant he walked who said he heard a hoot. He yodelled the turtle and Willie Waterloo. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. Happy birthday, Dr. Seuss. We honor you this day and we thank you for the books.
Happy birthday!
Sent our way.
Yeah, happy birthday, Dr. Seuss. Okay, so to celebrate his birthday today, we are reading a book about, what's this? Apple, yes, a book about apples. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, this is the book 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples up on top. Okay, see? Up on top. Let's start reading. Okay. By Dr. Seuss. 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look, you. I can do it too. See? See, I can do 3. 3. I see. Yes, he sees he can do 3. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 3 apples. Look, see now, I can hop with 4 apples up on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples up on top. And I can hop on a tree with 4 apples up on me. See, he can hop on a tree. Wow. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 up on top. Can you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. I am so good. I will not stop. 5. Now 6. Now 7 up on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples up on top. I am so good. They will not drop. They will not drop. See? He's jumping. 5, 6, 7. Fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See? But see, we are good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now see here, 8. 8 on top. 8 apples up on top. 8, 8. Okay. 8, 8. And we can skate. See, they're skating. Look now, we can skate with 8. We can skate with 8 apples, my. And we can do 9, 9. And hop and drink. You can do this. You cannot do this, I think. We can do it too. See here? See, they're drinking. We are all very good, I think. With 9, we all can hop and drink. See? They're hopping and drinking. Okay, they're hopping and drinking. Oh my, 9. 9 is very good. But then, come on. And we will make it 10. 10. Wow, look. 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. 10, 10, 10. Look out, look out. I see a mop. Oh no, look. The bear has a mop. I will make the apples fall. Get out, get out. You, one and all. See, she got them with the mop. Come on, come on, come on. Come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. See, they're running, running. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot stop. No, we cannot let our apples drop. No, we can't let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. See, they want to eat the apples. They're hungry. They will get them if we let them. Come, we cannot let them go. We cannot let them get them. Look out! Look out! The mop! The mop! The mop! See? Here's the bear with the mop. You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop. Not one. No, no, they will not fall. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, come on, come on. Get out of the way. See? They want to drop the apples, but they're running away because they don't want the apples to fall. No, no. Run, 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 run. Apples, apples up on top. All of this must stop, stop, stop. They're running away on a bicycle. See? They're riding a bicycle fast as they can. Now, all our fun is going to stop. Our apples are all going to drop. Oh no, look at that. Oh, a disaster. Look, 10 apples on us all. What fun. We will not let them fall. See, they all have apples. They all have apples up on top. Very good. Did you like this video? Okay, now what shall we do? I have a beautiful worksheet for you to do. Okay guys, this is the worksheet that we have to do. See, it goes in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, what do we have to do? We have to draw with a marker or a colored pencil, okay? We draw an apple, okay? Like the apples up on top of the animals, okay? Let's start. This is number 1. So we draw 1 apple. See? 1 apple. This one is number 2. We draw 2 apples. 1, 2 apples. This is number 3. We do 3 apples. 1, 2, and 3 apples. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. We draw 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. This number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. This is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 8. So 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. See? Now 9 apples. 1, 2, okay, so we do 9 and 10 apples up on top, okay? Okay, see? So this is the final result. Okay, now, so we have 1 apple up on top, 2 apples up on top, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 apples up on top. And we are finished.